In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your GitHub profile. Customizing your GitHub profile is a fantastic way to showcase your identity, skills, and interests to the world. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, making your GitHub profile stand out can create opportunities and help you connect with the community. So let's dive into the process. Firstly, you need to navigate to GitHub's website. GitHub is home to a vast community of developers and is a repository hosting service that provides a web-based graphical interface. It's where you will spend a lot of time as a developer, collaborating on projects and storing your code. Once you're on GitHub's homepage, you'll need to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, which is usually prominently displayed. Clicking on it will lead you to the login page, a necessary step to access your personal account settings and make the desired customizations. During the sign-in process, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address followed by your password. Make sure to enter the credentials that you used when you created your GitHub account. If you've forgotten either your username or password, GitHub provides assistance to recover them, ensuring you're not locked out of your account. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the GitHub dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, showing your recent activity, repositories, and more. From here, you will access your profile. To begin customizing, locate and click on your profile, usually found on the top right corner of your dashboard. This takes you to your public GitHub profile page as others see it. Look for the Edit Profile button. Clicking this will open up various fields that you're able to customize. Let's start with adding a photo. Your profile photo creates visual recognition and helps people in the community remember you. Choose a photo that clearly shows your face or an avatar you identify with. It's your digital representation in the GitHub universe. Next, enrich your profile by providing your real name. This can make your profile seem more professional and approachable. However, if you prefer to maintain a level of privacy or anonymity, a nickname or just a first name works as well. Your biography is where you can shine. Use this space to highlight your interests, skills, or what you're passionate about in the world of coding. It's a free text field, so feel free to be creative. In the following sections, GitHub offers you to specify your work, which could be the name of the company you're working for or a project you're contributing to. This is particularly useful for networking and shows your affiliation with respected organizations or projects. Adding your location can help in connecting with users from the same area or when looking for region-specific opportunities. It can be as specific as your city or as broad as your country. Providing an email address ensures other GitHub users or potential employers can contact you. Remember, this will be publicly visible, so consider using a business or dedicated email address. Linking to your personal website or portfolio is a fantastic way to direct visitors to more of your work, projects, or achievements not hosted on GitHub. This can be a personal blog, portfolio site, or even your LinkedIn profile. Lastly, adding social accounts can further expand your network and allow others to connect with yours on different platforms. GitHub supports linking several social media profiles, enhancing your digital presence across the web. After adding your preferred social platforms, remember to save your changes, and there you have it, a step-by-step guide to customizing your GitHub profile. Making these changes not only personalizes your space on GitHub, but also makes your profile more engaging and informative for anyone who comes across it. Remember, your GitHub profile is often the first impression you make on fellow developers, collaborators, and potential employers. So take the time to make it reflect who you are and what you're about. By following these steps, you'll have a GitHub profile that stands out, showcases your unique contributions, and connects you with the vast community of developers on the platform. Happy coding and happy customizing.